Peppers are one of the most used spices in many cuisines because of their great benefits and unique flavors they add to dishes. These precious spices can be used fresh, dried, and sometimes they come in powdered form, and one of these examples is paprika. Thank you guys for joining me. This is Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make paprika. Paprika is the most common cooking ingredient in our kitchen, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make this. Keep watching. So to make paprika, you're going to need some red peppers. I'm using these bell peppers. These very red bell peppers are mild in taste and they are not as spicy as chili peppers. So what we are going to do is to cut open the pepper, then cut them into smaller sizes, and then take out the white parts and the seeds. This is how I'll be cutting it. So before you start reducing your pepper into smaller sizes, make sure you rinse them thoroughly to get rid of sand and any particle. I'll just continue this with the rest of the pepper. So this is it. I use about 20 pieces of peppers. Once I'm done cutting these and removing the seeds, I'm going to bring this into a baking tray. If you have a rack with a smaller hole, you can place this on it. Mine is a little bit wide. I'm going to use the baking tray. Just make sure you separate these. They shouldn't stick to each other, just to give them space to dry evenly. Once you're done spreading this out, just leave this in a preheated oven until they are dried and crisp. Make sure you leave the door of the oven halfway open. This is to allow air to circulate around the oven in order to dry the pepper evenly. Also note, if you are living in a warm or dry environment, you can hang this outside and leave it to dry. Or you can use your dehydrator to dry this. The peppers are nicely dried and crisp. This is how it is. The time it takes this to dry depends on the size of your peppers and also your oven. Sometimes it might take 3 to 4 hours or even more, depending on the type of oven you are using. So right here we are going to blend this into a very smooth consistency. After blending this for about 2 minutes, I have this very smooth consistency, so I'll just quickly empty this into a bowl. So this is the final outcome. You should store your paprika properly in an airtight container void of water. Paprika adds some right tints to sauces, stews, and meats. You should use these within 6 months to maximize its taste and aroma. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, and also like this video. Share this with your friend as well. Bye.